In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your HubSpot home screen view. This can be incredibly useful if you frequently use specific features in HubSpot and want direct access as soon as you log in, helping you save time and streamline your workflow. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, there's always the option to use the forgot password link, which will guide you through account recovery. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard. Our next stop will be the settings, which is where changes to your home screen view can be made. Look for the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard, and give it a click. This will take you to the settings page. Once you're in settings, focus on the left-hand menu, click on General to open up the General Settings options. This part of the interface is where you'll find various settings that can be personalized to suit your needs. As you scroll down the page, you'll find the section dedicated to your profile settings. This may include personal information, but for our purposes today, we'll want to focus on the Defaults section. The Defaults section is crucial because it allows you to define what you want to see when you first log in. You'll notice that HubSpot provides a variety of options to choose from, such as your contact dashboard, sales dashboard, marketing, or deals view. We'll assume you want the deals view as your starting point, which is particularly useful if managing deals is the key aspect of your daily routine. Select deals or your preferred option from the drop-down menu. Once you've made your selection, it's important not to overlook the final step, saving your changes. Scroll down if needed and click the Save button. This might seem like a small step, but it's essential as it ensures your preferences are locked in. Without saving, your changes won't take effect, and the next time you log in, you'll find yourself back at the default home screen. So, to quickly wrap things up, you log into HubSpot, navigate to Settings, select General, scroll down to your profile, find the Default section, choose your preferred homepage view, and most importantly, save your changes. By following these steps, you'll make sure that each time you enter HubSpot, you're greeted by the page that matters most to you, improving the efficiency of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a more seamless HubSpot experience.